What's the meaning of cowpea? Cowpea. Cowpea.
Cowpea. Cowpea. Cowpea is a type of legume plant that is commonly grown in warm regions around the world. It is also known as black-eyed pea, southern pea, and crowder pea. The plant produces edible seeds that are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and are often used in traditional dishes in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Cowpea is also used as animal feed and in crop rotation to improve soil fertility. Due to its hardiness, drought resistance, and ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, cowpea plays an important role in sustainable agriculture and food security.